So I'm going to share to you um, my answers or opinions with how predictive analytics was used in business. And this is the first Tennessee Bank. So let's get started with the first question. So the first question will be identify how predictive analytics was used to solve the business problem and explain how predictive analytics solution works. So first, um, the first Tennessee Bank marketing strategy, they prioritized enhancing the relationship between their company as well as their customers. So it is rather than emphasizing the or improving the company's products and services. So they lacked in creativity, marketing strategies. It is shown by an increase in marketing expenditure, but they failed to achieve the return of investment or a high return of investment at the same time. So somehow it is not balanced, and because they neglected to use the available data to find out more about the company's clients and target market. So, because they have neglected that one, they were unable to make the most out of their marketing resources. So, they cannot provide any other marketing strategies, or they cannot produce any other marketing strategies or techniques. So Don Marks used predictive analytics as well as his colleagues to address the business, applying the ultimate acid test to your issues. So this is by integrating a detailed grasp of a client segment needs with the actual P&L data and concentrating on initiatives that yield the highest return of investment. So in short, it optimizes its marketing budget. And also, their previous marketing strategies were based on product lines. So they start with a thorough understanding of each customer banking requirements to obtain a substantial amount of customer data. So they first gather the customer data, which is the first step in doing or applying the analytics or predictive analytics. So there is a predictive analytics algorithm developed by Don Marks, and they gave each he gave each customer or consumer a score depending on how likely they are going to purchase this product in First Tennis's portfolio. So they were able to clusters the bank's product using this strategy that serve as sweet spots, right? And the needs of their consumers were discerned by Dan Marks and his crews. So marketers were able to forecast things like the possibility that consumer will buy a particular item or device from the First Tennessee Bank. Next question will be, what were some of the predictors used for predictive analytics model? So upon reading the article, it claims that the predictors for predictive analytics model employed by predictive analytics, which is a combination of understanding the clients wants and being aware of the services and products that you offer, or that most likely to generate a high profit and will give them a high return of investment. So they first determined the needs of clients and first tenancies profits and loss information, enabling them to forecast the goods or services that the customers will need. Next is, how did Denmark build analytics culture? Alright, so the case study reveals that Denmark's first data chief marketing officer, Tennessee Bank, has all the makings of becoming a number person, which means he will able he will be able to gather and evaluate concrete data that might use as a guide when developing marketing plans. So it similar on how they use predictive analytics. So by gaining the capacity to focus on market segment that will respond best to a given offer. It is a quality over quantity strategy that enables them to offer clients high quality services and goods. So, Don Marks and his team were dedicated as well in improving the customer connections by comprehending consumer segment demands and leveraging the real P&L data to optimize marketing expenditure and more likely to effectively target campaigns.